In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your Namecheap order history step by step so you can quickly review past purchases, transactions, and billing records without wasting time searching around your account. This is especially useful if you need to confirm a domain renewal, check a payment, find an old invoice, or simply keep track of your Namecheap activity. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Namecheap account using your email and password. Once you're signed in, you'll land inside your account dashboard. From there, look for your profile area and open your profile. This is where Namecheap keeps a number of account and billing options. Next, click on Billing. On the billing page, scroll down until you see the Orders section. This section contains your recent purchases and order-related information. If you want to see everything, click View All next to your order history. This will open a more complete list of your past orders and transactions. Now, you can review your full order history in one place. If you're trying to locate something from a specific time period, use the date range filter. This lets you narrow the results to a certain month, year, or custom period, which makes it much easier to find exactly what you need. After selecting the time range, click Apply to update the results. Your billing or order history will refresh and show only the filtered records. From here, you can check the details of each purchase, confirm transactions, and keep track of your Namecheap spending with ease. So that's how to find your Namecheap order history quickly and efficiently. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want to see more tutorials like this.